At number 2, we have the Hoover Commercial TaskVac CH53010. The Hoover Commercial TaskVac CH53010 stands out for its lightweight design, weighing just 15 pounds, which facilitates quick and effortless cleaning. Its bagless feature is a significant cost saver, eliminating the need for purchasing replacement bags. The vacuum is equipped with a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollens, ensuring a cleaner environment. The fingertip on-off switch and manual 5-position height adjustment add to the ease of use, while the non-marking furniture guard is a thoughtful addition to protect walls and furniture. Performance-wise, the TaskVac offers a 14-inch cleaning path and a powerful 12-amp motor, providing efficient cleaning across various surfaces. The easy empty dirt cup is convenient, although it requires frequent emptying to maintain maximum suction. The vacuum includes an extra-long 8-foot stretch hose and a cleaning accessory pack, which are handy for reaching difficult areas. In terms of durability, the TaskVac includes a long-lasting belt developed by Goodyear, which is a testament to its robustness. However, the vacuum has a 1-year warranty, which may be shorter than some users expect. The maintenance required indicator light is a useful feature that informs users when servicing is needed, helping to prolong the vacuum's lifespan. Value for money is evident in the TaskVac's design, with its combination of cost-saving features and cleaning efficiency. While it is a commercial unit, it could be more durable to match the demands of heavy-duty use. Overall, the TaskVac CH53010 is a practical choice for those seeking a cost-effective, user-friendly vacuum with solid performance.